Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna talk about the spoiler of Wendy Good Day series episode 9. So in the previous episode we saw that Yak and Wendy's relationship had been the same as before. In fact, it had become even better than before. That is why Wendy asked Yak to accompany him as his partner in the dance event at his hospital. At first Yak did not want to go. Then when Wendy said that if Yak does not go with him, Wendy will have to ask Dr. Tar to accompany him. Then Yak readily agrees because he could not let Wendy go with Dr. Tar under any circumstances. Yet Dr. Tar was repeatedly offering Wendy to become his partner, but Wendy was politely refusing Dr. Tar every time. But on the day of the party, when Yak had to go to help T in an emergency, he could not go with Wendy. So seeing Wendy alone, Dr. Tar wanted to make Wendy his partner by instigating him against Yak. But finally Yak reaches Wendy and dances with him. Wendy is also very happy to see Yak because for a moment Wendy thought that since Yak has gone to Tia, he will never return to Wendy. But Yak comes back to Wendy at the right time, and while dancing with him, pulls Wendy very close to himself and tells Wendy that Yak feels that Yak has started loving Wendy. Wendy is very happy to hear this from Yak, and there is also a scene where Wendy and Yak kisses each other. Then when Wendy and Yak go back to Wendy's house, Yak asks Wendy, "What will I have to do to become your boyfriend?" Wendy is a little surprised to hear Yak's words because Wendy thought that Yak was just telling him that he likes Wendy. As Wendy already knows that Yak likes tea, then how can he love Wendy? So maybe Yak will convince Wendy that he really loves him. So when Yak asks Wendy what he has to do to win Wendy's heart, Wendy tells Yak that he has to gift Wendy a flower every day, and to impress him, he has to do everything that a boy does to make someone his boyfriend. So Yak does what Wendy tells him to do. So Yak actually takes a rose to Wendy's hospital to give it to him. So Wendy feels very shy to see Yak bringing rose for him, but Wendy likes it a lot. Then we see that Yak wanted to take Wendy on a trip, due to which he makes all the arrangements himself and comes to Wendy and says, "Let's go on a trip. I have booked everything." So Wendy is very happy to hear Yak's words, and both of them go for a trip together where Yak and Wendy enjoys a lot with each other. Apart from this, there is another scene where when Yak asked Wendy what he would have to do to win Wendy's heart. So Wendy told Yak that if I love you, I will love you the way you are. You don't need to do anything special for his. I will be happy just by loving the person who will keep me happy every day. So after listening to Wendy, Yak tells Wendy, "But since I want to win your heart, I will do that. That's why you should get ready to feel my special treatment." That is why Yak arranged a romantic dinner for Wendy at home. Apart from this, Yak takes Wendy to a big hotel to feed him, where Yak arranged food, flower bouquet, and romantic music for Wendy. Seeing which, Wendy feels very shy, and he also likes all this, but he also feels a very little awkward. That is why he asked Yak to stop all this, which makes Yak feel that Wendy does not like him. That is why he is not liking all this. But there was nothing like that. So Wendy takes Yak to some other places to feed him, where Yak enjoys the food a lot. And seeing Yak happily eating food like this, Wendy gets a lot of satisfaction, and he is very happy to spend such time with Yak. But it will take some more times for Wendy to become Yak's boyfriend. So let's see how long Yak has to wait to become Wendy's boyfriend. Okay guys, that's all for today's spoiler. So meet you in the next video with some kind of another new BL spoiler. Till then, bye bye guys.